What's up guys, Matt here, coming to you from LA area's oldest, largest, and finest Harley-Davidson dealership, Laidlaw's Harley-Davidson. So today I got a spotlight build. I want to thank Jason for allowing me to feature his bike on the YouTube channel here. So we got a 2020 Street Glide Special in the River Rock Gray Denim. Kind of a combination of both style and function for his personal needs in a Harley-Davidson. And I think the bike came out really clean, so I wanted to feature it here on the YouTube channel.
Alright guys, so let's jump into a walk around on this 2020 model year Street Glide Special in River Rock Gray Denim with the RDRS equipped. So when Jason first approached me about a bike build, he definitely had some objectives that he wanted to accomplish. First off, he wanted to give it a modern styling and set himself apart from the herd of street glides on the road by doing some nice, clean, tasteful upgrades on the hand and foot controls and around the bike. He also wanted to do some comfort-based upgrades as well. He rides a lot with the passenger, so he and his wife are on the bike together for more than 50% of the time of his riding. So he upgraded his suspension front and rear. He went with the Wilbers self-adjusting suspension, which makes it easy to swap from a single to two-up riding on a frequent basis. He wanted to retain that simple minimalist styling when he was cruising alone, but he also didn't want to compromise comfort when he decided to ride out with the passenger on the back. Being seen and having really good lighting was also a high priority, so we went with the adaptive LED Daymaker headlamp and also added the two auxiliary LED lamps on there as well. These are genuine Harley-Davidson headlamps, not the Chinese fake makers. This is the special, so things like the front forks and the engine casings are all blacked out from the factory. The wheels are also the stock Prodigy wheel. The Prodigy wheel is a brand new wheel in the 2020 model year. Coming around to the right side of the bike, you'll notice the massive intake. This is the Screamin Eagle Heavy Breather Extreme. It's a newer air cleaner that just came out, I want to say 5 or 6 months ago. Now the exhaust system, although it may look somewhat stock, it is actually a completely aftermarket exhaust system. So you've got RineHart mufflers in the rear, and you've got a Fullsac header pipe on here. It's tuned with both of the Screamin Eagle tuners, the Pro Street Tuner and the Smart Tuner Pro automatic tuning module. In our experience, the two Screamin Eagle tuners used in conjunction with one another tune a full aftermarket exhaust system the best, while not immediately voiding your warranty like most aftermarket tuners will. For bars, we went with the Factory 47 Assault 14-inch handlebar. These are a really good height where they stretch out quite a bit, but they don't go too far above the fairing. It's also nice that you can utilize the stock cables and not have to incur the additional expense of recabling the entire bike with these bars. The mirrors are a genuine Harley-Davidson part. They're called the Profile mirrors. To give the bike a nice industrial modern look, we went with the full Endgame collection on here. The Endgame collection is relatively new, and it includes rider and passenger footboards as well as grips and foot controls. Personally, I love the Endgame stuff. It kind of has like this raw metal look. A lot of the aftermarket guys are doing these right now, and it's really popular among the guys that are doing like the performance baggers. You can get it in two finishes. You can get the graphite or the anodized black. For the seat, he's got a Saddlemen seat. It's the San Diego Customs collaboration seat. This is one of two seats he has. I wish I would have had the second one. He also has a Saddlemen road sofa with dual backrests on there for when he's riding with two up. This style of seat's pretty nice though because it's got a high lower back support area. It's got like that diamond stitch style as well. And then the different panels have different textures in the right places to keep you slotted into the seat. So originally we just had the stock header pipe on the bike here with just the RineHart slip-ons, but after riding it for about 100 miles, the owner decided that he wanted something a little bit louder, but he didn't want to trash his RineHart mufflers and he wanted to retain the stock look. So the Fullsac headers were the perfect option for him. With these headers, you're able to put the stock heat shields on there. We do, however, recommend running the additional Screamin Eagle auto tuner on there, which made the bike run perfectly. After test riding this bike, it sounded awesome. No hiccups or backfires or soft spots throughout the RPM range. And by changing out the stock header pipe, we got the bike about 50% louder. After that, we made sure there wasn't a single detail that was left unchecked on the motorcycle. Everything from oil cooler covers to powder coated kickstands, every surface and part was acknowledged to make sure the whole theme and color scheme of the bike was in unison. Overall, I'd describe this Streetglide as a bike that isn't too over the top, but has a lot of nice parts on it, both functional and style related, and none of the modifications take away from the factory handling and function. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you're looking to pick up a Harley-Davidson in Southern California, come see us at Laidlaw's Harley-Davidson. Later.